I tried Lunar Beauty for the very first time. This new Prism palette came out. I tried to stop myself. I said, you don't need any more palettes, you have enough. But then Manny made it look like this. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say this may be the most beautiful nude palette I've ever seen, because you're getting all of these neutral warm tones and all of these cool toned pink tone rows of mattes. The world is your oyster, from super natural to super smoky. You have a bare shade to set the lid, a black, which thank God, not to mention these freaking shimmers in the center row are to die for. I started out with the shade Vibes in my crease. These shadows blend like absolute butter. Then I went ahead with the shade Laura all over the lid. Look at this. I'm somebody that really doesn't only stick with a powder eyeshadow. I normally go with like a liquid eyeshadow because I like punch. This is one of the first looks in a while I haven't put a liquid eyeshadow over a powder eyeshadow because of how high impact, beautiful shimmer these are. Then I smoked out Moody on the outer corner just to add a little more depth and dimension. Then I went in with the Moon Prism blush palette. I picked this one up because the color story just spoke to me. I started out with Pink Moon and really hugged this up against the under eye and the sides of the nose, and then I deepened up the cheekbone back into my hairline with the shade Soleil, which has a gorgeous, almost golden reflect to it and really highlighted the cheekbone. Again, blended out like butter, absolutely breathtaking. Honestly, 10 out of 10. I am blown away by the powder formulas of all of these, especially these shimmer eyeshadows. The packaging is to die for. Honestly, this doesn't surprise me at all because this is the power of a brand made by somebody who is a makeup artist, who eats, sleeps, and breathes makeup, who knows what the consumers are looking for. You can't go wrong with either of these, but I need to try more.